Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do database migration using Spring Boot and Flyway. Okay, let's get started. First, let's create our Spring Boot application. So as always, we go to Spring Initializer. We choose Java, Maven, and the default Spring Boot version. Then we change this to, let's say, demo flyway. Okay, then packaging is jar, then Java version is 17. We add dependency. Actually we don't need web, but okay, we can add this in case we want to add controller. Okay, and we can generate. Let's extract it. Oh, there is old application here. Let's remove the old one. So this is the one we created just now. This one. Let's extract it. We remove the zip file. We open in our IntelliJ. New window. Okay, we can close the unused application like this one. So for Flyway, we need to add some dependency. So copy this. So for Flyway, we need this library, Flyway core, and also we need the jdbc driver, and also since we're going to use PostgreDB, so we need also the Postgres driver. Alright, so let's download them. Okay, you can see it's there already. So after adding the dependency, we need to configure our application properties. Basically, we need to configure the data source and the flyway. Okay, so for the data source, we use Postgre as our driver. Then this is the URL for Postgres. I'm pointing it to our local DB. This is our DB. Currently it's empty. See, it's empty. So this is our database test DB. Okay. Username, password. This is the schema. This is the default settings. We don't need to change them. Then for flyway, the same URL as the data source. This one. Then same schema, username, and password, because we're pointing to the same database. Okay. Then this is the location of our SQL script. Okay, let's create this folder. db as migration. Okay. Then in this folder we need to put our SQL script in this folder. Then the Flyway framework, the Flyway framework will basically run or execute this SQL script. So I have prepared our script, SQL script. Let's create here. For Flyway script, there is a naming convention. It should start with V, meaning version, then the version number, then the name of your SQL script. Okay. Then let's say we want to create table and insert some data. For demo purpose, we will create a simple table only called employee table. Then we insert 2 records. Okay. Alright, then let's run our Spring Boot application. So we expect this SQL script will execute. Okay. Let's run. Alright. So let's check our database now. So as you can see here, Flyway executed. Let's refresh. Okay, as you can see, this is the new table that we created. There's 2 records. Okay, then this is the Flyway history in case you want to track. So the history contains the name of our SQL script. Okay. So yeah, so that's how to migrate database using Flyway and SpringBoot application. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. See you again soon. Thank you. Bye bye. Ang banget ng demo ko, na.
What do you say?